Hey everyone, this is Om and welcome to Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, we have started a series where we are studying a lot of plans of different plot dimensions and we have covered I guess 15 by 50, 20 by 50 plans and one plan was of some other dimension also, and today we are here with a new plan dimension, and this AutoCAD drawing has been made by one of our student, and now we are going to study that what was his thought process and how it can help you, and what are the things that are involved in this plan, what he has made mistakes. We will completely analyze all those things, and if you are a client, then you can simply just use this plan for your house. And if you want some specific type of plan, then you can simply contact me. My number is there in the description. It's 8433248864. You can simply go ahead and call me on that number. Now we are going to start with the study of the plan over here. So I'm just going to share my screen, and you can see here we have our ground floor plan. Okay, so this is a 21 feet horizontal and 55 feet vertical dimension plan, and the road side is definitely on this side. Okay, so on the first thing that we are going to see in this house is the veranda, and before that we have a garden area over here. So I guess these are equally divided, so these are 3 feet each. Okay, then we have this porch area where we can also park our vehicles, and then we have the entrance of the house, which is from this side to the drawing hall, and you can also see there is another door over here which is coming from the veranda also, so one can enter the house from here as well as here. Okay, and then we have the staircase from this side, which is a quarter run staircase, and it can be used to reach out to next floor. Okay, now you can see in the drawing area it is a quite a spacious drawing area, because 10 feet 6 inches by 19 feet is a quite a good space over here. Then we also have a dining area over here which is just beside the kitchen, which is again a good thing. It would have been better if you would have shared the like door over here, like the door, if the door would have been in this direction, then it would have been better for the dining area also. Now you can see on the this side we have a bathroom. You can also uh, make the door of the bathroom on either this side or even this side. So this side would have been better, because that can be convenient to use for the guests that are sitting in the drawing hall also. And now you can see we have this kitchen over here, and then we have this wash area. So this wash area is also acting as the ventilation area for this two bathrooms that are over here. Okay, so again we have this bathroom over here, and then there is a storeroom which is entering from the kitchen. So you can also split it from the kitchen by placing the door over here, or you can simply use the uh, plan that is given over here. Then we have two bedrooms, and then we have this wash area, you can say. And actually this is kind of acting as a balcony over here, because this cannot be known as the wash area. The wash area should be just beside the kitchen, but you can also use it as the wash area, but for that you will have to pass through the two doors of the same bedroom. Okay, and now it is a master bedroom, so it is attached with the toilet, and you can see. And over here we have the water closet. Now what is my opinion in this plan? So what could have been changed? The dining area is quite fine, but the door should in the alignment with the kitchen. So the door, if the door would have been here, then that would have been better, and the bathroom door should be either over here or over here. Okay, so if you are placing the kitchen door over here, then the bathroom door over here is not good, so you can just place it from here, so the guest can also use the bathroom, and you don't need, and they don't need to enter the privacy of the house. Okay, then we have this open area over here, that is quite good thing. And then this is another toilet which can be used by this bedroom. So you can also attach this bedroom, because we already have a common bathroom over here. And I guess this is using the different bath unit as well as the toilet units are different. So okay, this is quite good over here. Okay, now you can also keep it like this, or you can go with the common toilet over here. Okay, now next thing that we have over here is the bedroom. So that is positioned quite well over here, and this bedroom is again opening, having two doors, and the ventilation for these two bedrooms are quite good. Then the storeroom do not need any kind of ventilation, so this is quite good from the ventilation. Then this kitchen is getting the ventilation from this living area, or you can say the dining area. So there is, and the door is over here, so it is getting the ventilation from the two direction. That is again a good thing to happen. Okay, so according to the ventilation, this house is properly planned, and according to the vastu I can't make any kind of particular comment because the directions is not mentioned over here. And the need of this open area is because we have not left any kind of offset over here. If this person would have left some kind of offset on any of the side, then this uh, like uh, open area would not have been required. But here is the case that this is just a 21 feet or like a front. Okay, so over here you cannot just leave 2 feet from the both the directions. Okay, otherwise it would have been reduced to, I guess, 17 feet, which is a less like length, and it will not be quite good for this. So this is a good plan according to this small dimension, that is of 21 feet. Okay, now this 55 feet area is quite good, so we can just do anything that we want over here. Sorry, 55 feet length, not area. And okay, so I have a better thing over here that I have not included in any of my previous videos, and that is the elevation of this ground floor plan. So over here you can see this is the boundary plan over here, and in the boundary wall we have used beautiful designs over here. So you can see this is the plaster patta, then we have also this sunk box over here, and then this is some kind of metal railing, and then this is the opening. Okay, then over here this is the front elevation, you can say. And we have this door and the windows properly placed at the proper heights, and then we have this chajab, and then we have this again a design, so which is symmetry to the this one. Okay, so that is a good thing to use because if the house will look symmetrical and they will have the like symmetric design, then that house will give a good look over there. Then we have another elevation over here, and this is quite different from the previous one, and this is kind of modern one because whatever we have used in the boundary wall, we have used the same sunk box and the square pipes over here, but with a different alignment, or you can say the different arrangement. Okay, so that is better than this one. If I am comparing the boundary wall, then this one is the modern one. Okay, and this will not to cost you much when it comes to the labor cost. Okay, so this will take a little bit of the labor cost, but this will be a little lesser over here. However, the material cost will be almost same over here. Then we have we can see here he has used some kind of marbles over here, which is giving a decent look to the house. And here the symmetry is not being followed, but it is again giving a better look than the previous one according to me. However, it's always the client's choice, and we are also ready to give our clients a lot of options. So if you are someone who is willing to construct a house according to your need, then you can simply give us our requirement, and we will make here the plan and the elevation according to your requirement, and we will also provide you the 3D of the same. Okay guys, now guys, I have another announcement for you. And what is that? So we are starting our new batch on the building planning. And what are the benefits of getting into this we you will also you will get all the sessions live. Okay, and obviously all the sessions will be taken specifically by me, and you will also get the recorded videos of those sessions for the lifetime. You will learn a plan to draw a plan like this, or you can say the draft a plan like this. Then you will also get a personalized WhatsApp group where you can ask any of your queries, and you will get notified about the classes over here. And you can simply just connect to us through this WhatsApp group. Then you will also get the project support. What project support means that you will whenever you are picking any project, then you can simply just come to us and say that sir, I have made a plan, and you can just check it. Then we will simply check it out, and we will give you the suggestions that okay, in this plan if you will make these amendments, then that will be better. And you will also get the PDF of the class notes that you will study in the class. And our batch is starting from the 1st of July at 8 p.m. So you can simply enroll over there. And I guess even if you are working, then that will not clash with your office time, or even with your college time if you are a student. The course fee is minimal, that is 3,999, and you can definitely call or WhatsApp me on this number, that is 8433248864, if you want to join this batch. So guys, if you are willing to join this, you can simply give me a call or WhatsApp on this number, and I will definitely enroll you in my upcoming batch that is starting from 1st of the July. Make sure that you make the best use of this opportunity. And if you want some kind of video, like particular video on any particular plot dimension, then you can simply suggest me that in the comment section, and I will try to bring a video as soon as possible over here. And if you are in the class, then you can simply suggest the plot dimension over there, and I will just like guide you each and every step how to do all these things. And if you want to again know the course content, I will add that in the description also. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you, guys.